Hello all of you. Before starting this video, I just want all of you to imagine you're watching YouTube. Okay, and let's suppose you click the play button and instantly the video starts. But have you ever wondered who actually understands your click? Is it your mouse? No. The monitor? Of course not. Or something hidden inside your computer? That may be. Today, we are going to meet the brain of the computer, that is, the CPU. So, every day you click your mouse, you type something on your keyboard, or open apps, play games, watch videos, but none of these actions happen by magic. Every single command first goes to one tiny but incredibly powerful component, the CPU. So let's see what is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. People often call it the brain of the computer, but here is something very interesting. The CPU doesn't actually think like humans do. Instead, it follows instructions, like it receives those instructions, processes information, and send results as quickly as possible. So whenever you click, type, or open an app, the CPU decides what should happen next. That is why the CPU is the control center of your computer. So now we will see how actually CPU works. So every instruction goes through these three simple steps. First, fetch, the CPU gets the instruction. Next, decode, it understands what the instruction means. And finally, execute, it performs the action, and that's it. Okay, so this cycle happens billions of times every second. And here is the crazy part. While you're watching this video, your CPU is repeating this cycle over and over again without taking a break. Okay, so let's make this super easy with an example of pizza. Let's suppose you're hungry and you're ordering a pizza. So you tell the chef which pizza you want. The chef understands your order. Then the chef prepares the pizza and serves it. The CPU works almost the same way. It receives your command, understands it, and carries it out. Okay, now you might be wondering, if the CPU is doing so much work, why doesn't it become slow? Because modern CPUs are incredibly powerful. They can perform billions of calculations every single microsecond. That's why you can listen to music, browse the internet, and chat with friends all together, right? So, here is a fun fact. Right now, as you are watching this video, your CPU is decoding the video, playing the audio, tracking your mouse, checking your keyboard, and communicating with the internet all at the same time. Pretty amazing, isn't it? So today we learned that the CPU is the brain of the computer. But here is something to think about. If the CPU is the brain, where does it keep the information that he processes? It needs while working. That's where RAM comes in. So in the next video, we will discover why adding more RAM can make your computer feel faster. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CodePaath, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you all of you.